Hello guys, this is the unboxing of the THULE FreeRide Twin Pack. I checked on the internet how Thule is pronounced. I thought it was Thule, Dule, whatever, but it's the THULE FreeRide Twin Pack made in Sweden. And today we will unbox it, and later we will put it on my car and we will put my bike to see if it fits. So let's get started. And now we will see how to unbox this beast. It's pretty heavy and huge. I expected a smaller package, but after all we'll have to carry your bike, so it has to be sturdy and has to be strong and good. I don't wanna damage the packaging. Like that. Yep. And this is it. The inside. It's like matte color, matte gray color. It's darker than I thought it was, but maybe it's better to be dark. This is the place where your tire fits. And probably this moves up and down to adjust for different bike sizes, like that. And this is where you mount some holders. Later we will put these. And this is the second one. We have a lot of fittings here for the base. These are all different for different sizes, and I want to see if we have the adapters for my roof. This is for the base, and this is put here like that. Maybe we will have to see the instructions first before rushing to do it, and then we will assemble it. And now we will assemble all of the pieces. First we have to notice where is your locking strap. So it goes here on this side, and to assemble the arms we will need to put the locking side, the locking arm on this place, because otherwise it will not be comfortable when you are putting the bike on the roof rack. So first we have these here, and they fit here really nicely, so they have to strap like that. If you have a taller bike, if you have a bike with a fatter frame, you need to use the bottom one, the bottom, and if you have a bike with a slimmer frame, you need to use this one. Now we'll put the rubber fitting, and then on top I'll put this one, this shoe, and now we'll start to rotate it until it fits nicely. Then we have the lock here. The lock is a bit strange. You have this little thing here that you have to fit somewhere here, like that, and then you rotate it, and then you rotate it back, and the lock fits inside. And when the lock fits, you can lock it and unlock it. I don't know how to remove it, So now you have a lock and the lock works. I cannot undo this. So this part is done here. We put it down and then we will assemble these pieces. These lock the mount on top of your car. So you need one of these things, these little things. You put them inside, and these are a little bit tricky. You have to hold them like that, and then these things go inside and you have to rotate them, but you have to put them through here and you have to find the right place and screw them so they go all the way up. Then you will slide these on your roof rack if your roof rack has a channel, I don't know. And the other one is easily as that. And you have to be careful because there are two types of these. This is for this place here, and this is for the back place, actually the front place. So rotate it like that. I'll search for the hole and like that. And it's ready. Then you just have to click it and place. So now we go to the back. We have this bracket here. We put it somewhere like that. And then again the same. We go with here and here. But if you have an older mount and you want to use that mount instead, in the package there are these brackets for square bars. You can put them like there, like that, and then it goes like that and like that. Okay, but my bars are not square bars, they are some other type. They have a channel, so I got this one and it went, and this one, and we put it like that. You can assemble it pretty easy. You just find the hole and rotate. Then after you are done, again with the key, and you find the hole here, you rotate one side or another and it sneaks in and it's locked. And that's all the assembly. Then we will get my car and we will put this on top with my bike. That's all for now. See you later. So this is the final assembly, and now we'll put it on my car. I have these roof bars. They are with channels. So if you can see inside, we put this bolt here in the channel. We secure it safely, and then on the other side we put these. Actually, first we'll put these, but you have to be careful to unscrew it, and then we put the other one like that, and then in the back unscrew it like that, fit it safely. There is one thing here that has to fit inside the channel like that, and then this has to be undone and you slide it. It's very easy. Then you just go and snap this one. You check if it's perpendicular to the bars, and if it is, you just snap them with some power. This is a bit undone, so I will screw it a bit more and snap it like that. Then you put these side protectors. Actually your car may be different, but I will put them now. And lock them safely in place. And the other one, unlock, slide, lock. And now we'll put the bike. First, these two straps, they have some places, can you see? They can be put outside in special holes, like that and like that, just to not interfere with the tire. Then you get the bike and you put the bike on the roof. Be very careful because the bike may start to go front. Open this one here, slide it. Be sure to make this just right for closing. Snap it like that and open this and secure it like that. And this one like that. And you can put them here in these holes in order they to stay secure and not beat on your roof. So this is put, and last one bit we have to check, we have to lock it with the key. And they are locked. Check the bike if it's okay. Be very careful, we have two holes here. If your bike have a smaller frame, smaller tube here, you should use the first hole. If you have larger frame, you should use the second hole. And that's it. The undoing is the same, just backwards.